In the modern packaging industry, production efficiency directly affects the competitiveness of enterprises. How to maximize production is a problem that every factory is thinking about. An automatic flute laminator machine is the core equipment to solve this problem. The Automatic Flute Laminator Machine adopts advanced automation technology to accurately and efficiently complete the laminating process of corrugated cardboard. Its precise design ensures the stability of product quality and that each piece of cardboard comes off the line in the best condition, while the machine is equipped with an advanced synchronized transmission system to ensure that the laminating quality of each piece of cardboard reaches the highest standard. Reduced manual intervention greatly improves production speed and ensures that every piece of cardboard meets the standard requirements. To maximize production, the first step is to ensure that the machine settings are optimized. With the machine's intelligent control panel, lamination parameters such as pressure, temperature, and speed can be quickly set to suit the production needs of different materials. These automated adjustment functions can significantly reduce setup time, not only increasing production efficiency but also reducing errors associated with manual operation. The Automatic Flute Laminator Machine is equipped with a real-time monitoring system, which allows you to check the running status of the machine at any time, identify and solve potential problems in time, and avoid unnecessary downtime. A continuous and stable production process is the key to increasing output. In addition, strict quality control processes need to be implemented to ensure that each batch of products meets the standards, which can reduce rework and scrap rates, thereby improving overall productivity. Finally, staff training and skills upgrading should not be neglected. Regular training for employees to familiarize them with equipment operation and troubleshooting can effectively improve the responsiveness and flexibility of the production line. High-quality finished product is the ultimate goal of every efficient production. Want to know more about Automatic Flute Laminator Machine? Welcome to contact us. Let's work hand in hand to move towards a new future of efficient production.